5 times 6 gives us 30, and 6 times 5 again gives us 30, and 30 divided by 30 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So parentheses is the first thing to solve, and then the second thing to solve is the exponent, and then the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, and the fourth thing to solve, or the last thing to solve, is addition or subtraction, right? This is the right order to solve mathematical expressions or arithmetics like this. But there is an exception, right? So for multiplication and division, we have to solve the problem left to right. So that is the right way to solve for multiplication or division. So if you have multiplication, division, and then multiplication, we have to solve the multiplication and then the division and then the multiplication, right? This is going to be left to right. This is because multiplication and division have equal priority, right? Their priority is priority number 3. Their priority is 3, and we have to solve them at 3 equally. So in our case, when we move left to right, first we have to multiply, and then we have to divide, and then we are going to multiply once and for all, and we are going to get the correct answer. So 5 times 6 gives us 30, and 30 divided by 6 times 5 is going to be the next thing, and we have to do the division now, and 30 divided by 6 gives us 5, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the final answer to this question is 25.